morning! Welcome to Everyday Noms. Today, we are making keto chili baked wings. Let's start. This is a dish that I decided to experiment. It tasted great, so I'm glad I recorded it. Here are the ingredients, or link below. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Add salt and pepper to the wings and coat them evenly. Lay them all on a rack and bake for about 30 to 40 minutes. While that is cooking, let's make some delicious spicy sauce. Add the sesame oil. I am using spicy sesame oil here. If you don't want it to be too spicy, you can use the regular type. Heat it for a while and then add the minced garlic. Let the garlic cook for about a few minutes. After that, add in your chili powder and then a little bit of water. Let it cook. Once it is bubbling up, add about a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. Then add some monk fruit sweetener for sweetness. Turn the heat off after everything is well mixed and put it in the bowl. The wings should be mostly cooked. Take it out of the oven and coat them well with the spicy sauce. It is already looking so good at this stage, but wait, it's not done. Increase temperature of the oven to 400 degrees and bake for an additional 10 to 20 minutes depending on the wings or your level of doneness. Once it is all nice and crispy, throw in some green onions and toasted sesame seeds. This came out so yummy! What do you guys think? If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe. Do comment to let me know what recipes you like to see or your experience trying this. Till next time!